A professional name does not guarantee professional regulation. ForexProTrade.com presents itself as an online broker offering access to Forex and possibly CFD trading. The website uses confident language, references to global markets, and claims of advanced tools to create an impression of credibility. At first glance, it may resemble a typical retail trading platform. However, in financial services, trust is built on verified regulation and transparent corporate structure, not marketing promises. The project operating under the domain ForexProTrade.com appears to function as a broker providing access to foreign exchange markets and potentially other leveraged instruments such as indices, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Such services fall under strict regulatory frameworks in most jurisdictions. A legitimate broker must hold authorization from a recognized financial authority before offering these services to the public. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at scisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with ForexProTrade.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In the brokerage industry, this is a serious red flag and may indicate an unlicensed broker. A licensed broker must comply with strict obligations. These include segregation of client funds from operational funds, maintenance of minimum capital reserves, regular financial reporting, and participation in investor compensation schemes where applicable. An unlicensed broker is not required to provide these protections. If disputes arise or withdrawal issues occur, clients may have no recognized authority to escalate complaints to. This significantly increases the risk of financial loss. If ForexProTrade.com offers CFD trading or high-leverage products, the risk profile becomes even more concerning. CFDs are complex derivative instruments that allow speculation on price movements without owning the underlying asset. Leverage amplifies both profits and losses. In regulated markets, leverage for retail traders is restricted to protect investors. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, losses can escalate rapidly. In many CFD models, the broker may act as the counterparty to client trades, creating a structural conflict of interest that remains unchecked without regulatory supervision. Corporate transparency is another key factor. A legitimate investment firm clearly discloses its registered legal entity, company number, and a verifiable physical address. It provides comprehensive client agreements and detailed risk disclosures. If ForexProTrade.com does not provide independently verifiable corporate details, investors are effectively transferring funds to an unidentified operator. This lack of transparency is commonly observed in investment scam structures. Technical indicators may also raise concerns. Many high-risk platforms rely on recently registered domains, privacy-protected WHOIS information, and template-based website designs. While privacy protection itself is not illegal, financial institutions managing client capital are expected to operate with maximum transparency. A short domain history combined with the absence of confirmed regulation significantly increases the overall risk assessment. Common warning signs associated with potentially fraudulent brokers may include lack of confirmed licensing, absence of a recognized regulator, limited corporate transparency, no clear investor protection mechanisms, exposure to high-risk leveraged CFDs, and potential withdrawal issues in case of disputes. When these factors appear together, caution is essential. To avoid similar fraud risks, investors should always verify a broker directly through official regulatory databases. Use the exact legal entity name and confirm it in the FCA, SISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA registers. Never rely solely on certificates, logos, or regulatory claims displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Be cautious of guaranteed profit promises, unrealistic returns, or aggressive account managers pushing for immediate deposits. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not pressure clients into rushed financial decisions. Generic website templates, unclear ownership structures, and vague legal documentation are strong red flags. In conclusion, ForexProTrade.com cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with potential high-risk trading instruments and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust and investor protection. Without it, the risk of scam, fraud, and unresolved withdrawal issues increases substantially. A serious broker proves legitimacy through regulation, not through slogans.